Hi, it's Jamie. Welcome to another video. In this video you will hear some success stories from women who are struggling with menopause. Are you struggling with weight gain during menopause? You're not alone. Many women experience this challenging phase of life where it seems impossible to shed those extra pounds. But fear not. We have gathered some incredible success stories from women who have triumphed over menopause weight gain and are now leading healthier, happier lives.
Hi, I'm Jane. During perimenopause, I was frustrated with my weight and lacked energy. But through determination and a few lifestyle changes, I was able to lose 30 pounds. Now I feel more confident and vibrant than ever.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I found it difficult to stay motivated during my menopause journey, but I didn't give up. With the support of a nutritionist and regular exercise, I not only shed excess weight, but also gained strength and improved my overall well-being.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I faced numerous challenges during menopause, including a slowed metabolism and hormonal changes. But with the help of a personalized meal plan and consistent workouts, I was able to lose 20 pounds and maintain a healthy weight.
These women are just a few examples of the incredible transformations possible during menopause. They prove that with determination, dedication, and the right support, you can achieve remarkable weight loss success. So, if you're feeling discouraged, remember that you're capable of overcoming this challenge too. Thanks for watching these inspiring weight loss journeys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content and support on your own menopause weight loss journey.